What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here's a great news. The Resident Evil 2 2019 edition, the remake of the official 1998 Resident Evil just hit, how much I forgot, hit 2 million again, I don't know. Come on my unlock. Yeah, it just hit 3 million sale in 3 days. Oh my god, not 2 million, 3 million sales. I mean, isn't that really awesome? I mean, 3 million sale in just 3 days, to be honest with you. I hate Resident Evil 7 with passion. I hate Resident Evil 7. It's not a good game. I just do not like it. I do not like first person horror games. I like the third person, to be honest with you. So finally the Resident Evil 2 remake just hit 3 million. I will say it's a must buy, but play on PC, especially you want to play the ultra level PS4 X and the Xbox One X, PS4 Pro. Yeah, they are weak. They are weak. I'm a PC gamer. I own a PS4, I own an Xbox, but it been like ages I turned them on. The last game I play on PS4 was the Assassin's Creed Origin. Even I play the Resident Evil 2 remake, is much better. You just play on a Steam. And then, do you agree with me or not? Is this one of the best game or not? Personally, I say Resident Evil 2 is much better than even Red Dead Redemption 2 is the best game of the 2019. What we are in a dilemma. A remake become the best game of 2019? So yeah, it was me, Geek. I will be telling you, make sure to subscribe, and that's all. Bye.